Unity and diversity. First comes our universe, in which we have our Milky Way galaxy, which is also known as Akash Ganga. In our Milky Way galaxy is our solar system, which consists of 8 planets. Earth is one of them. Inside the Earth, we live in our country India. Unity and diversity is only found in our India. You all have a question and be confused that what is unity? Unity is the term which means the state of being united. We should always remember that unity is the strength. India is the best example of unity. Why is unity important? Unity is important because we cannot live alone. That is why we need family, we need neighbors. If we are together in a society, we can deal with any difficult situation. What is diversity? Diversity is the practice or quality of including or involving people from a range of different social. Why do we need diversity? Let us assume for a while that we are similar in our looks. We live in the same manner. We think alike. We wear the same clothes or clothes of same color. We react in the same manner. Will it be a colorful living? No, not at all. Unity in all respects is not possible due to varying human nature. Just look at your classmates. Some of you are always doing good in your class. Some others are good in mathematics or science. Somebody sings well in the school functions. Some boy or girl receives an award for his or her performance in the school play, and you might be awarded a prize for her paintings. Importantly, diversity leads to the development of both the individual and the society. Every individual is dependent on others to fulfill his or her needs. It is a long chain where every individual contributes to the healthy growth of society. What does unity and in diversity means? The term unity in diversity refers to the state of togetherness or oneness in spite of presence of immense diversity. Unity in diversity is based on the concept where the individual or social differences in physical attributes, skin color, caste, creed, cultural and religious practices, etc., are not looked upon as an conflict. Rather, these differences are looked upon as varieties that enrich the society and the nation as a whole. Unity in diversity is a very important principle because we all live in a diverse world and it is crucial to respect each other and to support each other no matter what other culture, background, gender, orientation or other differences may be. In India, there are a large number of Asian culture prevailing or still practicing today. Through there are several numbers of diverse cultures in India, still it has unity in diversity. Do you know the phrase unity in diversity was coined by greatest historian Vincent Smith? It was Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who placed much emphasis on the composite culture of Indian people. You all might understand that unity in diversity always go together. Thank you.